Hello, I'm Diana Shockley, and today on the Pie Method by Diana, we are going to make a simple snack from leftover pie crust called pie fries. So, this is basically just a little bit of scrap dough that was left over from making a double crust pie. And this is just what we call scrap dough. I think that it works really well to make little fun extras like pie fries, but once you roll it out again and it's scrap, then I would scrap it. So this is just again scrap dough. So I just kind of reshaped it into a little disc, and then I cut it in half so I can just roll a couple pieces out. So I'm just going to sprinkle my surface with some flour. I try to be a little bit lighter with my flour than I am when I'm using fresh dough because there's already a little bit of flour kind of absorbed into this scrap dough from when we rolled it out the first time. So I'm just gonna kind of generously flour it on the top. All right, so I'm just rolling it in center out, same way we roll out our pie crust for the top and bottom crust, double crust pie. So we don't need it to be particularly round because we're just cutting little strips out of it. We're gonna make little fries. So that's that. And then I'm just gonna I try to start with like some nice clean edges so my fries look a little bit more uniform. So we'll do this. And then I'm going to just kind of slice it down the middle. And I'm going to make some little strips. And that's it. That's all we're doing here is just cutting a few little strips of pie crust. So then we don't waste any of it because the crust is the best part. So I have these 1/8 sheet pans, not quarter sheet pans, but even smaller. So I'm just going to lay these guys over the top like this. And I'm going to throw them in the oven for about, I'm going to say like 6 to 8 minutes. Just bake a few little fries here. So this is so cute. Once these are baked, so they don't take very long. Obviously, they're very just like small little thin pieces. Once they are baked, I will brush them with a little bit of melted butter. And this is like once they come out of the oven. Ooh, this one's a little thick. Just whoop, a little thinner. Brush them with a little bit of melted butter, and then I'm going to toss them in cinnamon and sugar. And that will be our incredible pie fries. And if you want to get really extra, you can find some like little tiny like fry containers that are like these little white little containers. We used to have them at the pie shop a long time ago. And just kind of put your little fries in there, and they look really cute. They're great for like a little party. Or just so you can snack on them. I mean, the chef needs a snack too, and this is a great snack. So I'm going to throw these in the oven, and then I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. The pie fries just came out of the oven, and you can see that they're just barely lightly browned in some spots. You don't want these to get too dark. You don't want it to taste burned because so much butter is in our pie crust that it'll taste like burned pie crust. We don't want that. So these are really hot. Ooh, I could feel the heat coming off of it. I'm just gonna like dab them. It's really hard to brush them because they want to move around a little bit. But we just want to butter them up. This is just so that the cinnamon and sugar can really stick to them. Ooh, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna flip these over so I can get the other side. It's a lot of butter, people. That's why it's a small snack. Moderation, right? Okay. I'm gonna get a little bit of, I just have about a 1/3 cup of white granulated sugar and about a half to a teaspoon of cinnamon just to make a little cinnamon sugar mixture. I'm just gonna sprinkle these guys. Just kind of like toss them in this cinnamon sugar. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Cinnamon smells amazing. It smells kind of like a churro, actually. I'm gonna brush our other guys here now. This is melted butter. I know it seems like a lot, but I'm tossing them. Ooh. This smells so good. All right. Grab my cinnamon. Gonna get tossed here like this. Toss it nicely in this cinnamon sugar. You can put a lot on here because most of the excess is gonna fall off anyways. Wow. These are cool. These are cool. Okay. All right, I'm gonna set that aside, and these are pie fries. I'm just gonna like put them on this little plate here, just to make them look gorgeous. Yeah. The excess over here. Little pie fry guys. They're still hot, but they're not too bad. Like I can actually touch them and they're fine. Oh my gosh. Aww. These are great. You can eat them while they're hot, or you can wait for them to cool down a bit, but they're really not that hot, so. Pie crust is the best part. Why not turn it into pie fries? You don't want to waste any of it. Subscribe to our channel so you can stay in the loop when there's new videos and new recipes posted to our channel.